Today we'll discuss about heterocyclic chemistry part 4. It is important for 4th semester, B Pharm 4th semester student. Introduction. Pyrazole are the important members of heterocyclic compounds with two adjacent nitrogen atom in a 5-membered ring system. Among the two nitrogen atoms, one is basic and the other is neutral in nature. The aromatic nature arises from the 4 alpha electrons, 4 pi electrons and the unshared pair of electrons on the nitrogen and hydrogen nitrogen. Synthesis of pyrazole. Pyrazole nucleus can be synthesized in number of ways. The more important one are given below. From pyrimidine, norpyrazole synthesis, from nitrile amines, from diazo compounds. From pyrimidine. Pyrimidine is very susceptible to nucleophilic addition. It reacts with hot hydrazine solution to give pyrazole. Norpyrazole synthesis reaction convert a hydrazine or its derivatives and a 1,3-dicarbonyl compound to a pyrazole using an acid catalyst. From nitrile amines. Pyrazole are produced by the dipolar cycloaddition between alkynes with nitrile amines from diazo compound. Diazo compound added to an acetylenic derivative gives pyrazole. Properties of pyrazole. Pyrazole is a colorless solid. Melting point is 70 degrees Celsius. This high value is due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding which results in a dimer. Pyrazole exhibits aromatic properties. Aromaticity. Pyrazole have 3 carbon and 2 nitrogen. All are sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridization is planar. It makes a planar pyrazole ring structure. Each ring atoms also contains unhybridized p orbital that is perpendicular to the planar of sigma bonds. Here p orbitals are parallel to each other. So, overlapping between p orbitals is possible. The total number of non-bonding electrons are 6. 3 of 3 carbon, 1 from 1 nitrogen and 2 of other nitrogen. The resonance of 6 electron follows the Huckel's rule, so the pyrazole is aromatic. Electrophilic addition and substitution. Electrophilic addition to nitrogen. Protonation. Pyrazole accept proton, act as base. B. N-alkylation. Pyrazole react with alkyl halide and first gives N-alkyl pyrazolium salt. This salt can lose an N proton in an equilibrium with unreacted pyrazole, generating N-alkyl pyrazole. N-alkyl pyrazole reacts with alkyl halide and gives N1 and 2 dialkyl pyrazolium salt. Electrophilic substitution to carbon. Pyrazole undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at 4th position. Electrophilic attack at position with intermediates. Electrophilic attack at carbon 3 and carbon 5 generates highly unstable positively charged azo methane intermediates. Electrophilic attack at carbon 4 completes without any such highly unstable intermediate. So, electrophilic attack takes place readily at neutral or alkaline media. As pyrazole protonated pyrazole is more resistant to electrophilic attack than pyrazole. Now let us summarize the important chemical properties of pyrazole: nitration, halogenation, oxidation and reduction. Nitration. Pyrazole may readily be nitrated by means of concentrated nitric acid. Like the aromatic nitro compounds, 4-nitropyrazole can be reduced to 4-aminopyrazole, which again resembles the aromatic bases in its behavior. Wise diazotization to form diazopyrazole. Halogenation. Halogenation takes place at position 4th to form 4-halopyrazole. It is important to note that in halogeno, the halogen atom attached to nucleus is even more firmly held than in benzene derivatives. Oxidation. Like benzene, pyrazole is very resistant to oxidation, but again, like alkylated benzene, carbon alkylated pyrazole may be readily oxidized to the corresponding carboxylic acid. Reduction. Although pyrazole itself is resistant to reduction by sodium ethanol, its N-phenyl derivative may be reduced by sodium ethanol to the corresponding pyrazolene. Medicinal uses of pyrazole. The interest in pyrazole stemmed from their application in drugs, dyes and as anesthetics. Pyrazole have also been used as antioxidant in fuels, but their major applications have been in medicinal and agricultural fields. For example, antipyrine, used as an antipyretic and analgesic. Taratazine, used as an yellow dye for food. Phenylbutazone, used as an anti-inflammatory drug. Thank you.